No, Dad, I'm recording.
You got it? Oh, no.
Oh, wait, it's fine.
Oh, jeez, it's swimming.
Oh my god, that is humongous. Not that humongous, but...
What?
What
Bring it up.
Here, just hold it. Hold it.
Big.
Oh, well, I got the fish and the...
Reel it in.
Can I keep it? Please. I got bait for you.
Yeah, that's it.
Start recording.
You got it?
At least I ate your
So keep
bait.
this.
Oh god, that's a bit.
Keep tension on. Keep tension on. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about the tension. Keep tension on.
That's not what I Is that like the same one we caught?
No, it's a good size one. Here, let me,
Oh, can we keep it?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Take a picture of it. Take a picture.
I'm sorry I hooked you.
Dad, of course, you're not big enough to keep the...
I know, but I accidentally hooked it.
Amelia.
At least we got something.
Go on.
They swim around before. Oh. Gee, you sure are catching a lot of bluegills.
We're keeping it.
Oh, we got
another keeper.
Yep.
Wait, what should we name that one?
God, I caught another one. That's the third one in a row. Holy. Fourth one in a row. Dad, another. Bleeding a lot. Oh, come on.